Today we're making homemade Creole seasoning. So into the mixing bowl, we're going to add in 2.5 tablespoons of ground paprika. There's one. Two. And 2.5. 1.5 teaspoons of ground cayenne pepper. There's 1 teaspoon and a half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. 1 tablespoon of ground garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of ground onion powder. 2 teaspoons of sea salt. 1. 2. 1 tablespoon of dried oregano. 1 tablespoon of dried basil. And 1 tablespoon of dried thyme. Now we're going to take a whisk and whisk all these ingredients together until they are combined. Alright, now you're going to want to store this in an airtight container. So I have a little spice jar here, and instead of using like a funnel, I'm going to use a piece of parchment paper. I'm just going to fold it and kind of use it as a little bit of a funnel. It'll go in a lot easier than the actual actually using a funnel. So I'm going to dump a little bit in. Fill up my jar. Use the spoon and fill it up. Just gonna kind of shake it up a little bit in my jar here too to kind of blend things a little bit better. And then I want to make sure that I have this labeled so I know what's in this jar. I've used my little label maker to make my label for the jar. I'm going to store this in the airtight spice jar in a cool, dark place, and it should last 6 to 12 months if properly stored. This will taste amazing on grilled chicken, roasted vegetables, anything you want to add a little extra spice or Creole seasoning to. This is the perfect blend.